today I want to show you how you can get free Floki tokens on Revolut. So there's a quiz that you can find in the crypto tab that you can easily access, and from them you can see that there's 3 different quizzes. As always, you do not need to read the quizzes, and for the first one, the answers will be the second, the fourth, and the first answer. I will repeat again, first of all the second, then the fourth, and then the first answer. So then you get awarded coins, and now we get to the second quiz that we are gonna skip all the words, all the text, and we get to the actual quiz, which is the second answer, then the fourth answer, and then the fourth again. So I repeat, the second, then the fourth, and then again the fourth. So with that you get awarded again the tokens, and we can move to the final answer that will be the third answer, then again the third answer, and the first one. So I repeat again, so the third, and the first one. And then you can get and claim your tokens. So let me know you want more of them to show you, and I will get updated all the new ones that appear here in Revolut. So